Hey everyone, thanks for returning to the channel. As you saw in the title, this is a 5-month update on the Duplicolor Chrome delete, I guess, that I did on my badges. As you can see here, that was about 5 months ago. So please do consider subscribing to the channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. So as you can see, this is about 5 months later, and there's a lot of chips and peeling portions on the badges. So definitely something to watch out for if you plan on doing this. So this actually sparked an idea in my mind, so I'm going to go ahead and undo this all and redo it with some Hyper Dip spray. I guess it's sort of like a Plastidip, Dip, but it's supposed to be a lot better. So I ordered two kits. I ordered Piano Black and a Shadow Black. I'll probably end up using the Shadow Black on the actual emblems, and then on the front fascia there's a bunch of chrome also, so I'll be using the piano black on that. So keep an eye out for that coming to the channel in the next couple of weeks. Thanks so much for sticking to the end here. Please consider watching another one of the videos and subscribing if you like what you see here. Thanks so much.